Thanks for checking into WeatherBug here on this Thursday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at that national coast-to-coast forecast. Definitely cooler and wetter across the eastern part of the nation. We even have a number of flood watches from the Gulf Coast region back up into the northeast for several inches of precipitation through the end of the week. Some summer heat in the west and our severe threat again today. Look at this. Very warm weather from Seattle down to Los Angeles. And again, the heat continues for at least the next few days. Very chilly in the front range of the Rockies to now the Ohio Valley, but still very mild yesterday in the east and southeastern part of the country. We have a high amplitude weather pattern, and the jet stream buckles to the north in the, west. It sags all the way down to the south here in the midsection of the nation. That's why we're so chilly again today, and then staying fairly mild yet for some spots in the eastern part of the country, at least prior to that front working through. A lot of shower and thunderstorm activity off east of the Mississippi River Valley. Lots of dry weather in the southwest. Unfortunately, that's continuing our fire threat. Los Angeles, at least just south of that to San Diego, heat advisories through 6 p.m. Temperatures ranging from 98 to nearly 105. The Santa Ana winds continue. And again, that is helping to fan some of those fires. So we still have a fire threat today and some high elevation winds, which still could be gusting up close to 65 miles per hour. But it does appear that the winds are going to be shifting a little bit instead of offshore to onshore. Coming in over the next, say, couple of days here towards the weekend. There's a pocket of colder air. Notice this ridge in the west. It starts to move eastward, so that allowed temperatures in the midsection of the nation to be warmer by your weekend and early next week. There's that severe threat from Virginia down to South Carolina. Hail and high winds, the primary threat. We're also looking at some isolated thunderstorms as we get into our Friday right along the front range. But again, today in the west, very summer-like.